what's this? A 4-star puzzle? Ooh. What do I have here? This is called
It's so dumb.
the Padoga. Wait, no. That's a Padoga. Never mind. This one's the cathedral door. It's a door.
Oh. Okay.
Find the solution to this puzzle by removing the pieces from the frame and fitting them into their perfect placement. This is from Roman culture.
Wait, so you rated the other one 5-star.
Yeah.
Wait, maybe we shouldn't do this then.
Why?
Because it's all downhill from here. You peaked at the 5-star.
No, I can go above 5 stars.
No, you can't. Maybe you should just close that one up. No. You already...
No, there's bonus.
I just realized we peaked. We shouldn't. Okay.
Oh, wow. This was interesting. It's like a piece of wood door.
Yeah, that's...
Blank on the back.
It is called
wrapped
a door.
in plastic. I think all of these pieces are removable. I mean, it looks solved already. Yeah, isn't this solved?
No! Are you eating it?
How else am I supposed to solve the puzzle?
Ew! You're actually eating it.
I must consume the puzzle.
It's not a chocolate bar. Looks like chocolate. Eat the puzzle.
Alright, check it out. So, fitting them into the perfect placement? What does that mean? Okay, so these are removable. But why? It's already solved.
No, it's not.
No, it's already solved.
Okay, then open the door.
Huh?
I don't know. What does that mean?
It's solved
There's
already.
no way they would give you a solved puzzle.
No, I think it's like a puzzle in itself. Like, you do this and then you solve it.
Oh my... Wait, what was the point of that? Okay, well now...
It's like a jigsaw puzzle and it came solved.
Oh. Oh.
Wait, this is a jigsaw puzzle.
Oh, it came... Oh, it really was already solved. Okay, well, put it back now.
Oh.
You can... You can stop joking around. Put it back. Yeah, anytime. We don't have all day. Go. You can do the next puzzle if you just put it back.
Yeah, you want to skip to the next puzzle?
No. You have to finish it first.
No, I've already seen the solve.
No. Well, if you've seen it solved, then just put it back so we can do the next puzzle.
Can I watch the VOD?
What? No!
I forgot what this was like.
It came solved, remember? So you saw how it's supposed to look. So now you should be able to just put it back.
Okay, this one's this one's like a triangle one, right? This one's yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I found it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's right here. Bam, right there.
Okay, that's really good.
This is it. Oh,
Yeah, that
it's
looks
kinda
good.
on curve, though.
No, that looks good.
Looks good. It looks. No, it's here.
Oh, okay. All right, that looks good.
No. I gotta flip it. Let's go.
Oh, okay.
It's here.
Yeah, it looks good. That's
Good. Right here.
Yeah.
No. It's over here.
Okay.
Right here. Let's go.
Okay. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay. Right here.
Yeah.
And Oh, found it right here, right there.
What's your thought process in that? Why is it there?
Because it fits perfectly, and that's the goal.
Okay.
Sure you don't want to do your jigsaw puzzle?
No.
Okay, this one has to be in the center because you see this little slit. This one only exists on the centerpieces. You want to get closer from this?
Oh, okay.
See these centerpieces?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one is for sure a centerpiecer.
How sure are you on that? By the way?
1 billion%.
1 billion%. Okay.
1 billion. 100. 100.
Okay.
This one's a double box, so you know, and there's a double slit in the middle, so you know this is a centerpiece.
Mm-hmm.
But this one's a little edgy, so maybe we do the flipperoo.
Oh.
No. Oh, no, this one's over here. No. This one's on this side. Yeah. Right here. Boom. Bada boom. This one's a little flipperoni. This one's a centerpiece right here. Centerpiece right there. Let's go, baby. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And look at this bad boy. It's got a little star. That's gonna come in real handy, right? And you see there's 2 slits. So this one's also a centerpiecer. I'm gonna flip it down and reverse it. Do the triple reverse into a double. Then no. I've been looking at this all wrong. I need to go like this. Can I just move on to the jigsaw puzzle?
Okay.
Because,
Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
we saw the soft version of this, right? Well, it probably wasn't that interesting. It came soft. It wasn't interesting.
Wow.
But what do we have here? All right, this one's for you. Another box? This one's a 4-star box. All right, go.
Huh?
Your turn.
Me?
Yeah, and I get to drink a milkshake too.
I
drink your milkshake.
No, it's my milkshake.
Drink it
You
up.
can take the phone, but not my milkshake. What's wrong with you? I bought this myself. You're sick. Okay. Goal: manipulate the hidden panels and components on the box with a little bit. Okay. You have my milkshake.
I said I drink your milkshake.
Okay, anyways. I'll remember that.
You probably don't know that reference because you watch Zoomer movies.
I'm not a Zoomer. Anyways.
I bet you follow Charlie D'Amelio, right? Bet you know who that is.
I do know who that is.
Yeah, of course you would, fucking Zoomer.
Okay. Anyways,
All right, talk about the box.
there's
Let's go.
Nasus from League of Legends.
You mean Anubis?
Susan, as
Anubis.
they call it.
He's the god of death in Egyptian lore. Anubis. You gotta describe everything, bro.
There's another one. It has another janky little opening looking thing. There's no way. There ain't no way that's actually something. There's no way. Oh god, it is something. Oh no. That's not cool. Okay.
Oh. Okay, what's at the top?
It's a little circle, like a belly button, I would say.
Or a single nipple.
No, not a nipple, no. But yeah. Yep. It's, how many stars is this again?
4-star.
I-
It's the hardest puzzle we've attempted yet. You are no match
Okay, anyways.
for the power of the Pharaoh's tomb.
You can't just keep continuing after that. Okay, you guys can see here, there's a little circle.
Oh.
Can you see it? The circle
Stop
thing?
moving!
Okay, well then get it.
Wait,
Are
what-
you getting
what
it?
little
The
circle?
that's what I'm trying to show you, the circle. You see it?
No, I just see some freakishly long fingers. You know salad hands? Remember those salad hands?
I have not.
Oh, wait, you can pull that off. Huh? Oh, but it can't go all the way up, can it?
Can it?
Can it?
Unless?
Oh,
Unless?
that doesn't go all the way up.
Yeah, there's
Oh.
2 sticks in it.
Okay, so what happens when you pull it up? Show us the other side. Yeah.
There's 2 sticks. Can they see it? Can you see the sticks in there?
I think those. Oh, yeah, kinda. Yeah. Okay.
How do I get that moved? First lap.
Okay, so the side opened up a little bit,
And
but
then
it
in the
doesn't go all the way
inside,
up.
There are 2 sticks in there that prevent it from moving.
Or try spinning the button.
It does not spin.
Okay.
Oh, but I move that.
What are you moving? It flips open.
Now what?
Perhaps now that it's open, something can be pushed in a certain direction. Oh wait, it
It's still, the sticks are still in there.
uh-huh.
So like that.
Oh, you pulled it back.
And then,
Now this comes out now.
and then.
Oh.
There's no way that's it, right? There's no way that's it, right? That was level 4. There's more. There's like a hidden component in here. There's another door.
No, I don't.
There has to be another door. There has to be more. There needs to be more.
I don't think this.
There's another one in here. I can tell. There has to be another one.
Why
I
did you
can tell.
sniff it, you freak?
You can't just say that. Okay. Anyways, well, that's it.